Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your bandit from server or access issue. First, if you see this message, the server admin has blocked your account from joining, then contact server admin. Politely request reinstallment if you believe the ban was a mistake. After that, check for alternate account. Make sure you log in with a correct Discord account if you have multiple accounts. Privacy tip: never try to bypass bans with a fake account. If you have multiple accounts, it can violate Discord's terms of service. Quick fix: if you can still access, join another server with a similar interests. Contact Discord support only for technical or account related errors, not bans. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast Discord.